Hey guys, there's this particular video that was brought to my notice this morning by my friend Ajaniro. I'm so pained, like I am so pained. My friend Ajaniro just left Asaba and she went to Abuja. On her way home, she found out that a woman was beating a child and she had to stop. Park her car and was watching the woman through her car. Do you know what this woman did?
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people, things they happen for this world. If I tell you say things not they happen, I dey lie. Things they happen. My people. So some women they wicked like this. They go give you pikin. Oh, if you not fit take care of the pikin again, why una not the returner to the mama? Why? They give you pikin. Say, may you they look. Small pikin of 7 years. Now you just beat like that this woman. If you don't see what this woman do this pikin, my people think will shock una. People they wicked oh. People they wicked oh, my people. Not the way person no go see for this social media. Not the way person no go see, my people. This video shockalize me. If you not see the way this woman beat this boy. Now one Hollywood actress, now you can see and say, why you go beat this small pikin like this? What did he do you? Because you send a message in no go. If they give una pikin muna and they say the mama of the girl dey village, come carry your pikin, this woman, come carry your pikin. You want to allow somebody pay me your pikin before you know say you go carry her. I say when I see the video, the thing shockalize me, my people. You carry small pikin, go give this woman. They say so big, this woman they beat this small pikin. If una see waiting me, I want show una so the thing go shock una. Make una watch this video with me, my people. Make una watch am. Una go understand what I talk about. Some people are really wicked, like seriously. Bye everybody. Bye.
Hey guys, there's this particular video that was brought to my notice this morning by my friend Ajaniro. I'm so pained, like I am so pained. My friend Ajaniro just left Asaba and she went to Abuja. On her way home, she found out that a woman was beating a child and she had to stop. Park her car and was watching the woman through her car. Do you know what this woman did? The woman picked a bottle and hit this child on his head. You will see how injured this child is. Just watch this video first so you will understand what I'm saying. Because
you know that he can bleed to death.
Son, answer the question.
You know that he can bleed to death.
See, what did the boy do to you that you...
Hi, bring him
Madam,
take him to the hospital.
come, bring him, come.
You know that this boy can bleed
What
to death.
happened to this boy? Hey, madam.
Son, let me hold you now.
Why are you leaving? If not, I will pack for for you. You're talking nonsense to the boy. Don't you know that this is life?
Madam, what did you do to the boy? I'm going to video you because I am taking up the case. How dare you? So what did you do to a little baby? Just imagine. Look, see what you did to a boy. Just imagine what you did to a little boy. Put him in the car. Let's go to the car. Put him in the car. Hold her. Just hold her. Make sure you hold her. Hold her.
Because now, so that's why you're doing this.
Let you walk.
We are taking to the hospital.
You were still threatening him with all of this blood.
This is how boys speaking like this.
You know what Peter was
That's very stupid.
Carry him in the car. Let's go to the car. How old is this boy? How old was him in the pool of his blood? Bring him, take him, bring him back.
Are you stupid?
Hospital now. Now you will carry him to hospital. Now you will carry him to hospital. Now you will carry him to hospital. Wicked woman. Please call, please call wherever you are calling. Wickedness of the highest order. You see a child bleeding like this with his blood. See him, look at him. In the pool of his own blood. You cannot hold him. You are still shouting at him.
Man, you don't shout on him now.
Madam,
Now you provoke me. You don't understand.
This small pikin provoke you. Pikin when you feel born, provoke you. You carry bottle, you hit her for head. How bad? How wicked can you be? Will you do this to your own child? Will you do this to your own child?
No, just a mess away.
Just imagine, imagine. Small pikin. A woman like you, a woman when not born, you they do pikin like this.
I'm so sorry. I know you guys have seen the video. I'm so sorry I'm not able to make the video plain because of Facebook guidelines, but I am pained. Like, I am pained. How can a woman do this to somebody's child? Do you know that that child is her younger sister's child, like her own blood sister's child? If she can do it to her own blood sister's child, what is she going to do to another person's child? And she's not even feeling remorseful. It was when my friend started shouting like a dog. Then my friend was shouting and yelling before she now had to start feeling remorseful. She had to bring that rag and start holding this child's head. If I show you the video, you will know that I didn't mean I exposed the video. You will see how badly injured that child was. But because of Facebook guidelines, I cannot. Let me tell you, if you can't take care of somebody's child, return them back to their parents now. It is not by force. It's not by force. People, see, you cannot take the place of a parent, but at least you can do better. You can at least show them love. The Bible says that we should show one another love. It's not that maybe because you know that you are not the one that gave birth to them, you want to start treating them like as if they are nobody. If somebody did that to your child, will you like it? The answer is no. So what you don't want others to do to your own children, do not do it to them. I'm talking about children. This particular woman in question has not even given birth. So it's the more reason she was supposed to show that child love so that that child can even make her give birth, or pray to God the heart of that child can even give her a child. But yet she was just being evil. They had to take her to the police station. And even in the police station, she was not feeling remorseful, according to my friend. It was this morning now that they are transferred her to another police station. Why will a woman be so mean? And I know that there are a lot of other women like that woman out there, even on this Facebook, watching me now. Why are you people wicked? Stop this wickedness. It's not good. Stop treating people's children as if they are a bag of cement or they are a bag of, I don't know what to say. But stop treating people's children as if they are not your children. If you cannot take care of them, oh yeah, return them back to their parents. Give them back to their parents. If it's Gary that they're soaking there, let them eat it in peace and not in pieces. Stop being mean to people's children. That's what I'm saying. Those of you that are watching me, if you are like this woman in this video, stop it. Stop it. Those of you that are watching me, if any of you is like this woman, or you know somebody that is like this woman, before I forget, do you know that his neighbors, that woman's neighbor, including those cement people, those people, bricklayers that was there, they did not see anything when the woman was beating the child? And my friend asked them, do you know what they told the woman? They said, they were telling my friend that this woman has been like this since, that she's always beating the child, that she even injured the child in his private part when he peed. These neighbors, are they not wicked neighbors? Are they no wicked neighbors? So you are keeping quiet. You don't know any child welfare to report to. You don't know any police station to report to. You cannot even hold that woman and arrest her until somebody came, a foreigner came in there and started shouting. That's when all of them came up. And that's how some of us in Nigeria are, if not all of us, like 80% of us. We always pretend. As far as it's not our own that is getting spoiled, it doesn't concern them. It's today now my friend started shouting that all of them came up. She's wicked, she's this. So no, stand up for people. Once you see that something is not going right in your area, stand up for them. And that is it. Please share this video. Make sure you share this video. Share this video so that women that are not treating other people's children as their own, they should stop it. Return them back to their parents. Return. Share this video, share it so that people that have not seen this video will see it. People that are maltreating people's children should return their children. Return it. Make sure you share this video. Thank you. I love you guys.